Hi guys, so my first time using Island Shippers. Got my package delivered today. I have more packages on the way with them guys, because trust me, their customer service is off the chain. I can't complain. I'm not lying, I can't complain guys, trust me. I recommend them to everybody guys. What I say, them customer service off the chain. I'm not lie. Alright, Island Shippers, great customer service. People are friendly guys. They are everything that you could expect in a shipping company. Recommend them. Island Shippers, you guys are great.
Yard, brag. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it!